what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium for the month of August 2022. So if you want to know what is in here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And you guys already know the drill. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and jump right into this little unboxing. I'm so excited to know what I got in my box. It still is new. I have not opened the seal yet, so I always like to do that with you guys. So I'm just gonna take my scissors because I always like to give you guys what my first impressions are. Okay, there we go. We got it open. Okay, so this is the premium box. And I do remember locking in some of my choice items. I just don't remember what items they were. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into it. This is the card, the theme for the month, and it is Dusk Till Dawn. I do already have my base box video up, so if you guys haven't checked it out, go check it out. My variation box is going to be the letter C2208224-PM. That's the variation box that I got, and we are going to jump right into it. So let's go ahead and start off with this one because it looks like it's about to slide out. This one is by Ofra Cosmetics. It is the Signature Palette Symphony. And I love me some Ofra Cosmetics stuff. I do already have their palette. It's on the Glow palette. It has a lot of love to it. Look how dirty it is, but it has a lot of love. I use it all the time. Look how much love it has. So her cosmetics are really, really good. I always look forward to them. I do have the highlight on today. I think it's called Hollywood, I believe. I don't know. Can't remember the shade. But I do love their items. Ooh, this is a really pretty palette. So it has these really nice mauve shades, some berries, a little bit more vampy colors right over here. Perfect for fall. I am so ready for fall, guys. I'm so over the heat. It is too hot here in Bakersfield, California. I'm like literally burning up every single day. So I'm ready for the fall and winter. Iggy, what's the problemo? You need to get out? Boy, you stuck in here. Okay, so yeah, this one was our first item in the box, which I'm super happy with because it is a colorful item. I love my makeup items. That's what I look forward to. All right, guys, we are gonna go ahead and move on to the next item. Let's start off with this one right here. It's super bright and neon orange. It looks like a highlighter. So this one looks like it is called a Mellow, and this is Your Way mascara. I love me my makeup items. I'm super happy that I'm getting mascara. I always go through mascaras. I do my eye makeup every single day, so I go through them pretty quickly. The packaging is so dope, guys. I wish you guys can see it, but there you go. You can see it now. The light's not blinding it. So yeah, it's really, really nice. Okay, and this one has that wand where you can like bend it and go in, which is pretty cool. So you can use this applicator however you want. Just be careful with it when you are doing your mascara so it doesn't get all over the place. Just be very careful because it does move around. This is really nice. I love the mascara. Then up next, I have this little box here. This little box is a Essential Radiant Nutrient C eye cream. I think I got an eye cream oh no, I actually got an eye cream on my base box, which was the Glow Recipe Melt Eye Cream, and I really love it. That's what I'm currently using. But here is another eye cream as well. I'm not gonna use this one for now. I'm gonna use it later. Eventually I'll use it, but I'm gonna use it later because I am already using the avocado one that I got in my base box this month. All right, so then up next, we got this right here. This is a balancing cleanser with aloe vera. Very nice. I'm down for a new cleanser. It's Alpha. I hope this is for all skin types. It says it's a gentle, creamy lotion which removes all traces of face and eye makeup while balancing the skin. So it's non-greasy. I am so down for some really good skincare. They know we love our makeup items, so this one's gonna be a really good cleanser to take off all of that makeup. I always do a double cleanse because I wear so much makeup. I'm excited and looking forward to this cleanser because like I said, I always do a double cleanse because I wear so much makeup. So I always like to do the white towel test to make sure I have no residue left behind. But I always want to make sure that my cleanser does not strip out my skin or anything like that. So I'm excited for this cleanser. All right, guys, it looks like we do have 2 items left in our box. We're gonna see what this one is. Let's see. Oh, I love me some bubble wrap. I'm gonna save this for later. This is the Playa Manoli Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Yes, we love ourselves some hair care. Let me see, leave-in conditioner. So this, I would probably use it like before I go into maybe like a swimming pool, or if I'm going out to like the beach and I'm gonna get in the water. You want to make sure you take care of your hair. My hair can get some love out of it. The spray is really nice and the scent smells really, really good. I don't know if you guys have smelled this before, but it smells really good. I actually am going to be putting this to use. And our last item in our box is this right here. Oh, this is a Tres Luce Beauty Forever Brillante Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. I also got a liquid eyeshadow in my base box from Galactic. So I feel like these boxes are kind of similar. Not the same. Oh my God, I'm shook. This color is so pretty. But let's see, hopefully the formula is good. The applicator looks very nice. I am digging the applicator and I'm also digging the color, guys. Ooh, girl, it is so pretty. It's like this really nice teal aqua metallic color. Oh my God, I'm liking this. I am shook. I'm excited for this. I can't wait to try it out and use it and come up with the look. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video and I'm gonna go over each and every single item and I'll tell you how much this box retails for and we will wrap it up. Leave me a comment down below. I wanna know if you guys got your premium box or what you guys think about it. Oh girl, it's so hot here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Ofra Cosmetics little eyeshadow palette. This one does retail for $34. Then we also do have the Kabuki Nutrient Eye Cream. This one does retail for $90. It is fancy. We also do have the Mellow Your Way Mascara. This is a very, this one's a really cool product. I like the concept of this mascara. Let's just hope that it's good. I mean, it doesn't get messy. So this one does retail for $22. Then we have the Playa Leave-In Conditioner. Oh, you see? So you could use it for La Playa. Playa means beach in Spanish. So that's what I would use it for. I would definitely dip my hair and spray it out with this before you go to the playa. This one does retail for $24. And then we also do have the Alpha Balancing Cleanser. This right here I'm excited for. I am about to jump in the shower and take off this full face of makeup. I'm going to be trying this out. This does retail for $36. And I'm super excited about the Tres Luce Liquid Eyeshadow. This one does retail for $16. Let me add it all up and I'll tell you what this box retails for. Okay guys, so the total value of this month's box is going to be of $238. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Getting some mermaid vibes from here. Anyway, some mermaid inspiration. Anyways, it retails for $238 and I really like my box. I'm super excited that I got some hair care, a little bit of everything, hair care, skin care, makeup items. I'm in love with this box. I think this was a great box. And so that's going to be it for today, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.